I visited Bosphorus on day 2 of me trying new foods, and I must say that I was impressed by their various cuisines. So many options to choose from, but finally settled for the beef wrap, which is meat sauteed with onions, pepper, and mozzarella, wrapped in a tortilla and served with their special in-house sauce. And oh my god, was this delicious! Perfect crunch, perfect texture, spice was on point, amazing flavor. Basically, this hit all the right spots, and the sauce, oh goodness, just took it to a whole new level. Overall, 8 out of 10. Let me know in the comment section what you would want me to try next. Like and subscribe to this video. Bye.